Alright guys, day 2 doing the subframe drop from the whole pad. I had to turn around and disconnect the power steering lines, which is right there, one of them. You have to use a cross foot wrench to remove it, but when you're sticking it all the way through and in there, you got to come from up in here to turn around and have another wrench holding that nut right there so you can break it loose from underneath. Once you disassemble that, you should be good with the rack and pinion. After that, I decided to disconnect the return line from right here, so basically both lines are dismantled. Also, I turned around and started removing the motor mount bolts. That's one. You get it from the back side basically. There we go, there's a good shot. That one you remove from the back side. The other one you remove from right there. So you turn around and just do simple ankle wobble heads. You just impact them off, they come right off. And then after you do that, you can start setting yourself up to start dropping the frame from the frame bolts, which are pretty much right there. Specialty, that's from what it looks like. There's another one, and then 2 more right there, and then they're both on each side. Biggest thing for doing this, I strongly suggest, is getting one of those to turn around and have free space underneath. By doing that, it works a hell of a lot easier. So I'll send you guys the next video when the frame's dropped.